Hello everyone, this is Cynthia, She's So Blessed. So how's everyone doing today on this beautiful weekend, Saturday? I hope everyone is doing fine. Well guys, I am back again to do an open invite reveal. The name of this here video is called DIY Decorating Fall and Glam Towers for 2019. And I am co-hosting with two lovely young ladies. That's Mysterious Alberta and Diva Decorating. They are two wonderful ladies. When you guys are done with this video, if you're not doing anything, go by their channel and check out their contents. You will love it. They do so many things on there. But getting back into our collaboration, DIY Decorating Fall and Glam Towers. We are asking that the creators be so kind and decorate their tower. It can be a glam tower. It can be a fall tower using whatever type of decoration that you would love. And show us how you would decorate your towers, and also where would you place them? Would it be on your bar cart? Would it be in your kitchen? Would it be in your bathroom? Where would it be throughout your house? So those are the things that we are looking for. You can show the creators and also the YouTube family, how will you decorate your tower? And once again, those co-hosts, I am the co-host, Cynthia, She's So Blessed, and I am glad to be working with Diva Decorating, also Mysterious Alberta. So guys, I'm going to go ahead on with the rules. The first one is we are asking you to upload your video to the playlist anytime after midnight. If you have any problem uploading your video, if you can just please use the hashtag DIY Decorating Fall and Glam Towers for 2019. So that way we can be able to locate the video and place it on your playlist. Also, number 2 is that it must say hashtag DIY Decorating Fall and Glam Towers. Number 3, always have fun. Number 4, mention all 3 hosts and show some love to their channel. This is an open invite for everyone. So that will be on August the 30th, Friday. You can upload your video, and we just simply asking that you show us your DIY and where will you place it throughout your house. And that will be for August the 30th on a Friday. There also will be another, this is a collab. This will be a challenge for that I was asked by lovely Grandma Sandy. She's such a wonderful lady, and when you're not doing anything, if you can please go and check out her content on her channel. Grandma Sandy and myself will be doing a challenge on September the 15th. That's 2018, September the 15th. The name of the challenge is called Great Pumpkin Fall Challenge for 2019. Grandma Sandy and myself had made some rules, and her rules she had wrote was, the rules are 1 or more pumpkins. It can be in a fairy garden, a food garden, a flower garden. You can make a centerpiece or a tablescape, but you must be able to show your pumpkins into, once again, fairy garden, food garden, flower garden, or a centerpiece or a tablescape. Mention all 3 hosts. You must mention Grandma Sandy and myself, Cynthia, She's So Blessed. And you also need to make sure if you can have your hashtag Great Pumpkins Fall Challenge 2019. And the date for this upload is September the 15th, 2019, anytime after midnight. Okay, let me see. Is there anything else I forgot? And if you be so kind, if you can go also and check out Grandma Sandy. She made a video on a open invite for this here challenge. And she just basically want us to create anything like a centerpiece or a tablescape using one or more pumpkins, as many as you want to, in a fairy garden. And also, guys, I had just purchased, if anyone would like to pick up a fairy garden, they have them on 50% off at Family Dollars. And the one that you see right here, I had purchased from Family Dollar for $2.50. So if you need anything like a fairy garden, this is the time to go to Family Dollar. They have everything on sale as far as garden items. So this was in the garden section, and I was able to purchase it for $2.50. So guys, that will be one collab and one challenge. And the challenge is for September the 15th, hashtag Great Pumpkin Fall Challenge. And the one for August the 30th is a DIY decorating fall and glam towers for 2019. It must say hashtag fall and glam towers for 2019. I will leave the description dates and more information into the description bar. So guys, I hope everyone is doing fine. I just want to say hello to my new and old subscribers and let them know how much I appreciate them and all of their support. So guys, until the next time, you stay blessed, and I will see yes, you, yes, you in the next video. You guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a part of my family, like always, I would love to have you. You have a blessed day. Bye-bye.